I was able to get these windows. They're used windows, like I've said before, but these are special because they're bulletproof. Got my homeboy Daniel here helping me out. Daniel. Daniel also has a YouTube channel called Automotive Aesthetic. He details cars and he's very good at it. I mean, yeah, you can, but now work your way back to work because it'll, there you go. Oh my gosh, dude, this is so much easier having a set of hands.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, this is the straightest piece of metal I've ever put down. Guys, I completely forgot to tell you, but I was able to get these windows. They're used windows, like I've said before, but these are special because they're bulletproof. What? It's not bulletproof? I'm just kidding, guys. They're not bulletproof. But these windows have to come out because I'm gonna show you some science, guys.
Science.
Today, we're gonna learn some
Science.
I realize I haven't done any testing on these windows to see if they are in fact sealed. A lot of windows, the window seal, because these are double pane windows, the window seal around it eventually deteriorates. So, because these are who knows how old, I think they're probably around 20, 30 years old at least, I realized I hadn't tested. I realized I hadn't tested them yet. So I came in here the other day and I tested them, and to my absolute horror, they're all screwed up. All the window seals are finito. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is now show you the simple science and procedure to figure out if in fact your window seals have failed. So let's walk through this together, shall we? Okay, because these windows are absolutely trash, and you know, I did put a lot of work into getting these windows in, but you just gotta shrug it off and move forward. Obviously not ideal, but anyhow, let's have some fun with it. I'm gonna bust this window out in super slow motion, okay? Enjoy. Yes, what you'll do for just a little bit of entertainment. All right, well, nothing like creating a little more work for yourself times 2. So I'm gonna remove these windows and get them ready for some new windows my buddy Max is bringing over. So I'm gonna put 2 massive windows in here. They're commercial, and he's gonna help me install them. So let's clean this up and get them ready. Oh, all right guys, this calls for a pep talk. Now, at the end of the day, I could drag my feet, you know, hang my head, and get pretty upset that the fact is I have to remove all this trim and these windows because I made the mistake of not checking the seals before I installed them. Or I can just, you know, pick my head up, have a cup of coffee, maybe a couple Bud Lights, and know that, I mean, this is a mistake that I'll probably never make again. So although it sucks, man does it suck. The more I think about it, man does this ever suck. This is some solid work I put into this. I mean, look at this bead of caulk, it's incredible. But again, you know, I'm choosing not to hang my head. I'm choosing to look at this beautiful bead of caulk and be like, I learned how to just lay down a beautiful bead of caulk. And along the way, yeah, I gotta rip these windows out, but pick your feet up, Graham. Stare your mistake in the eyes and say, you're not gonna win and you're not the boss of me now. Little Malcolm in the Middle, for those of you who remember that show. We're just gonna cut these bad boys out and shrug it off. When life gives you lemons, you frickin' snag those lemons, bust out the vodka, get a little seltzer water, maybe a little ginger beer, and just juice those lemons, baby, and make yourself a mixed drink so you can get through the day. All right, let's go. Oh, this caulk is super strong. I guess we're learning all kinds of things with this mistake. This is a good caulk. Never give up, never surrender. My gosh. I did too good of a job. I also don't want glass to go everywhere because I was an idiot. And, oh, holy crap, this caulk is freaking all kinds of strong. Problem is I caulked the inside of it too. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Oh. This one's gonna be hard. How heavy is this? Oh my gosh. Oh muscles. Oh gosh. Yeah, baby. Come on, baby. Get it. Get it. You. This is your punishment. This is your punishment. Oh. Oh, back to square one. Like I said, I want to show you how to figure if your window seals are going bad or not. And this is how I figured it. So get some computer cleaner. You can also use this with an ice cube. And basically all we're trying to do is create a somewhat extreme temperature difference between the exterior of the window and inside where, you know, between the two panes. So where the sealed air should be. So basically you tip this upside down so it actually shoots out really cold liquid. That becomes ice, okay? We got the ice. And now, as we take a cloth or our shirt and wipe off that cold spot, it's really hard to show you guys, but basically it leaves condensation under the glass. See that condensation? That's behind the glass. So that's what happens when it gets that extreme temperature difference, and that shows us that the seal on this window is faulty and completely failed, or it's just an old window, so it's failed. So there you go, science.